Hey everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the top Christmas songs for beginner guitarists. Now what makes these specific Christmas songs beneficial for beginners? It's because they stay within the boundaries of the 18 chords and 3 strum patterns that I teach in my beginner course and that you can access in the free 3-step guide, which you can get in the information card right up there. These 18 chords are simplified variations of the traditional way to play a lot of these chords. They're much easier to play and much easier to transition between within the chord families that they belong to. There are no bar chords at all. The 18 chords are broken up into 3 chord families of 6 chords each. So each of these Christmas songs are going to use one of these 3 chord families. Also, each one of the songs is going to use one of the simplified strum patterns as well. Each one of these 3 strum patterns is super basic and easy to pick up and learn. And so with this small handful of chords and strum patterns, you're going to have a massive library of Christmas songs that you can play this Christmas season. So I'll go ahead and play through a portion of each one of the songs, starting with the songs that use the G chord family, which is the easiest to play in my opinion. And if you'd like to watch a full tutorial for each one of these songs, I do have a full tutorial for each one, and I'll include a link to each of them in the description down below. And I also put together a chord chart collection of all of these songs. I put them all together into one collection so you can get a huge discount on those. And you can find a link to that collection also up there in the info card or down in the description below. So let's go ahead and take a look at the songs.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow, rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. First Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Frosty the Snowman was a jolly, happy soul, with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they put it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. They're green when summer days are bright, they're green when winter snow is white. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and heaven and nature sing. Come, they told me, So to honor him, pa-ra-pa-pum-pum, when we come. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee live above thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars go by, yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Oh, ho, ho, who would it go? Oh, ho, ho, who would it go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Here we come a-caroling among the leaves so green. Here we come a-wandering so fair to be seen. Love and joy come to you, and to you glad Christmas too. And I bless you and send you a happy new year. And I send you a happy new year. It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Last Christmas I gave you my heart. The very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten, twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds kept their watching o'er silent flocks by night, behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. Go tell it on the mountains, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed, the little Lord Jesus lay down his sweet head. The stars stars in the sky looked down where he lay, the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope that this lesson, these songs, and these chord charts are going to help you to make some awesome memories this Christmas season. Take care.